So this one's a split level, pretty standard, call it split level or bi-level, where you come in the front door and the stairs go up or down right away. So what we do in these ones is usually you have a 2-bed, 1-bath up. Sometimes it can go as large as a 3-1, 3-2 up, but most common is a 2-1. What we do with these is on these stairs, wall right here, close this off, put a door like we would in the others, so you can close that off. And then you end up in this one specifically with a 2-bed setup with a 1-bath. And right now, this one has an addition. The original back of the house is here. So normally you have like a decent sized 3rd bedroom and or living room, which you would usually add the kitchen into. This one, because they've done this full extension, everything from me over, this is all added on at some point. So sometimes they have this, but even in its original floor plan, you have space here, you have a living room over here. Most of the time we're going to put the kitchen right here. So on the other side of this wall is the bathroom, so we'd put a kitchen here. So you come in, normally it'd be like kind of an L kitchen that would come over and turn on this wall. So you have a little kitchen here with some living room space, 2 beds and 1 bath. But my favorite part about these, we call it the secret staircase. And this is why I like this floor plan so much. So follow me over this way. Other bedroom, but then in here in the utility room, obviously clean this up a little bit, cover the furnace and AC, shift a couple things around. But ta-da! We all of a sudden have our secret staircase. So that exits out the back of the house. You literally go right around the garage, come down the staircase, and you have your second entrance. You don't even have to worry about sharing spaces.